Easy people. I just did a video a minute ago regarding a crackly pot on a Scarlett audio interface. Now I've also got a similar problem on this little Mackie mixer here. Basically, I don't know about any of the other knobs on it because I don't really use them. The only one I use here is this main mix. Now, like I say, I've been having a bit of work done up here, and it's been very dusty, so I think a bit of dust has got in these somehow. Extremely fine dust has got in there, and it's damaged it basically. Well, not damaged it, but at least made these potentiometers potentially a bit dirty, which is why I might have the crackling. So I've not actually tried this one yet. I've not tried taking this apart. It's supposed to be the first time, so I'm just going to take it apart and see if it works on here. I'm just going to close the window though because it's freezing. Right, that's better. So yeah, so let's see what we can do. I'm just going to point this down here so we can see exactly what I'm doing. So by the looks of things, let's have a look. Screws on the sides, three there, I'm guessing. Let's try these side ones first, see what they do, and hopefully I'm not going to mess it up. Feel free to fast forward. Hopefully this will work. I wonder if this will slide out yet. No, that's just a side cover by the looks of things. I think it wants that little screw there taking off. Let's try that one. There we go. So by the looks of things, all these screws are the same size. Right, let's get that one off. Let's take that out. Take that out. Okie dokie. Looks like the main bit you need to take off is this bottom bit. There we go, the back plate comes off. It doesn't look like we can get in here very easily unless we unscrew, by the looks of things, all these. If we unscrew all these ports, because they're sort of holding it in. So I think what I'm going to do for now, is just try spraying it through the sides here and see if that helps, because I don't really want to take it apart anymore at the moment. I may do if I have to, but I should be able to quite easily get to this bit here that I want through spraying it through there, and then yeah, so let's give that a whirl and do it all around the edge. I wonder if they just slide off. No, but that's what I'm bothered about there, the main mix. So let's just give that a bit of give it a squirt and see if it helps. So just give it a little bit. Might just give it a bit around the top as well. Get it right in there. It's absolutely loads there, it's tricky. Right, let's give this bit a whirl. There we go. May as well give all these bits a go. So what else we can do with it? Let's give it a bit of a one of them on the back as well. You never know. May as well do the rest of it while I'm here, Anna. So that's that. And let's just leave it to dry for a few minutes. Right, I've let it dry and screwed it all back up. So let's just put it back on and see if it works. Moment of truth. See what happens when we plug this in. Hopefully it won't blow up. Sound did not sound good. Right, you heard what happened there. I didn't turn the speakers off, so it made a massive pop as soon as I plugged the power into the mixer. So turn the powers off on your speaker before you do that, obviously. But other than that, it all seems to be working well. I did test it then, but just to show you, Let's put this down here at the mixer. And then, so let's get some on. Got some loaded up here, a little acapella again. So we're on. This is up. Crackling's completely gone. And turned down.
Reaching for the phone 'cause I can't fight it.
Gone. And it was also, it was a bit unbalanced before as well. He was sort of turning it, and it was jumping a lot. It was really out. So that seems to have sorted it out. So let's just turn that off. So yeah, the stuff to use is WD-40 fast acting contact cleaner, or fast WD-40 fast drying contact cleaner, about a £5.